Hello po ulit, magandang hapon po. Ito po ay Riddles of Fate ulit. Pakinggan lang natin no, kung saan kinuha yung kung saan kinuha yung binasa natin kanina na yung 2 Samuel 7:14, ako'y magiging kanyang ama at siya'y magiging aking anak. Kung siya'y gumawa ng kasamaan, aking sasawayin siya ng pamalo ng mga tao at ng panghampas ng mga anak ng mga tao. Try nating pakinggan yung English version niya sa English Standard Version. Okay, try kong i-play Sana mag-play siya. Medyo buffering pa. Ulit. Nasa 8 kagad siya.
2 Samuel 8.
Balik natin sa 2 Samuel 7. Okay. Play natin. Doon siya sa 7:14.
2 Samuel 7. Now when the king lived in his house, and the Lord had given him rest from all his surrounding enemies, the king said to Nathan the prophet,
See now, I dwell in a house of cedar, but the ark of God dwells in a tent.
And Nathan said to the king,
Go, do all that is in your heart, for the Lord is with you.
But that same night the word of the Lord came to Nathan.
Go and tell my servant David, Thus says the Lord, Would you build me a house to dwell in? I have not lived in a house since the day I brought up the people of Israel from Egypt to this day. But I have been moving about in a tent for my dwelling. In all places where I have moved with all the people of Israel, did I speak a word with any of the judges of Israel, whom I commanded to shepherd my people Israel, saying, Why have you not built me a house of cedar? Now therefore, thus you shall say to my servant David, Thus says the Lord of hosts, I took you from the pasture, from following the sheep, that you should be prince over my people Israel. And I have been with you wherever you went, and have cut off all your enemies from before you. And I will make for you a great name, like the name of the great ones of the earth. And I will appoint a place for my people Israel, and will plant them, so that they may dwell in their own place and be disturbed no more. And violent men shall afflict them no more as formerly from the time that I appointed judges over my people Israel. And I will give you rest from all your enemies. Moreover, the Lord declares to you that the Lord will make you a house. When your days are fulfilled, and you lie down with your fathers, I will raise up your offspring after you, who shall come from your body, and I will establish his kingdom. He shall build a house for my name, and I will establish the throne of his kingdom forever. I will be to him a father, and he shall be to me a son. When he commits iniquity, I will discipline him with the rod of men, with the stripes of the sons of men. But my steadfast love will not depart from him, as I took it from Saul, whom I put away from before you. And your house and your kingdom shall be made sure forever before me. Your throne shall be established forever.
In accordance with...
Okay, yun na lang po muna, no? Nabasa na yung 2 Samuel 7:14, which is yung sinabi niya yung, I will be a father. Sabi niya, I will be to him a father. Sabi niya, I will be to him a father, and he shall be to me a son. When he commits iniquity, I will discipline him with the rod of men, with the stripes of the sons of men. Okay, yun na lang po muna. Maraming salamat po muli. Hanggang sa muli.